Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another recipe. So on today's menu we have Bolognese sauce. It's a traditional Italian sauce, so you can either have it with spaghetti or rice as you choose to. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be making use of spaghetti, and this is linguine spaghetti, you know, the flat ones, those ones that are usually flat. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. So let's get down to the ingredients. First on my list is linguine spaghetti, and then we have minced meats. This is beef. You can either use pork or beef or both if you like. Then this is wine, red wine. Then we have chopped onions, lots of it. We also have grated carrots. Then we have chopped tomatoes. Then we have the ones in can as well, the canned tomato as well. Then we have bell peppers, red, green, and of course yellow. Then we have tomato paste, garlic, parsley, paprika, oregano, black pepper, thyme, vegetable oil, or you can use olive oil, and of course salt to taste. Then lastly, we have not chicken cubes. Then of course Parmesan cheese. What's an Italian dish without Parmesan cheese? The correct original cheese from Italy. So that's it guys about the ingredients. So first thing is to put an empty pot on fire. Then put 1 cooking spoon of oil into an empty pot. Once it's heated, pour in your chopped onions. Allow it fry a little bit. Don't let it melt. It's not supposed to turn transparent, you know, just let it fry a little bit for about 2 minutes, after which you put in your minced meats, which of course is our main ingredient for this menu. So you pour in your minced meats, then stir until it turns brown. Just keep stirring it, keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring until it turns brown. So at this point, I added seasoning cube. I added just 2 cubes of the Knorr chicken just to give it some flavor. After which I added the garlic, the chopped garlic. Then I kept stirring, keep stirring until it's done, almost done. I just keep stirring. So you just basically keep stirring till you stop seeing red, till you stop seeing the bloody part of the meat. You know, just make sure you keep stirring it. So at this point, we're going to introduce our ingredients. So the first thing is to pour in the carrots and then stir. I mean, it's just basically stirring throughout this dish. Just keep stirring, just so it doesn't burn and it's evenly cooked. So now the next thing to put is the tomato paste. So now it's time to add in the chopped tomatoes and then keep stirring again. And then the canned tomatoes. I mean, like I said earlier, this dish is just tomatoes, like tomato in all forms, in every form you can think of, chopped, fresh, canned, you know, in all its glory. So this dish is basically just a tomato dish. So now it's time to add the spices. That's the oregano, followed by thyme, followed by black pepper, and then paprika. Then of course our stirring continues. Then I added a little bit of salt, and then I continued stirring it. So the next thing to add now is the red wine. Guys, this food tastes nice. Like you should try it. It's really nice. So I allowed it sit there for about 5 minutes, and then I added the bell peppers. I didn't add them much earlier because I didn't want them to lose their color and flavor. So at this point, towards the end, I decided to add the bell peppers. If you notice, I didn't even put the green ones yet because I wanted to still retain its color, so I'm going to add it much later after removing it from the fire. So that's it, guys. We are done with this. As far as our bolognese is concerned, it's ready, guys. It's as easy as that. So while we wait, let's cook our spaghetti. So I'm going to add salt to the water and black pepper. Who else loves to add black pepper to their spaghetti? Well, I do. Then of course oil, just so it doesn't foam, and switch off the fire. So I decided to add oil to the water. So let's cover it up and allow it to boil before adding our spaghetti. So now our sauce is ready. We're just going to switch it off and remove it from the stove. Yeah, so that's me switching it off and then adding the green bell peppers. So at this point it's going to retain its color, because it's off fire. And then after doing that, I added parsley. Remember our chopped parsley? So I added it last, just so it also retains its greenness. I added it after removing it from the fire. I put in the parsley, and that's it, guys. Our bolognese sauce is ready, guys. It's that simple. It's a very easy and budget-friendly recipe. In case you're wondering what to cook, here it is, guys. So at this point our water is boiling. It's boiled, as you can see. So now our spaghetti goes in there, sitting pretty, as you can see. So that's it, guys. That's basically it. It's as simple as that. I mean, this dish is very easy to cook and pocket friendly. Like I said earlier, in case you're wondering what to cook and you have some minced meat at home, or you're just wondering what to cook, here's an inspiration for you, guys. It's very easy to cook and it's very fast, very, very fast. I mean, under 30 minutes you're done with this meal. So that's it, guys. So 30 minutes later, our spaghetti is cooked, and then we take it off the stove and then drain it. You can see, and pour it back into the pot, and that's it, guys. It's done. Everything is ready. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And at this point, this is me serving it. You can see, guys, it looks yummy. It looks amazing. And take a look at the spaghetti sauce. I mean, the bolognese sauce. If you notice, it's thicker. The colder it gets, the thicker it becomes. You can see it's thicker now because it's been sitting down there for a while. So let's see, guys, it looks yummy. At least with this, you can feed a family of 6 at once, and it's really fast. Like I said earlier, it's fast, it's easy to cook, and it's yummy. So that's me just garnishing it with some parsley, and just for aesthetic purposes. And lastly, of course, our Parmesan cheese. I mean, what's a Bolognese without Parmesan cheese, guys? You can see it's raining cheese. It's raining cheese, guys. This dish is amazing. You have to try it. If you haven't tried it before, you have to try it. It's really yummy, and trust me, you will not regret it. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're going to try this, please let me know in the comment section. If you love your sauce with either spaghetti or rice or both, please let me know. Personally, I think I prefer it with rice. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video, please take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye.